2 days after peace talks were shelved, and lead mediator Seyoum Mesfin is making clear he, at least, is prepared for decisive action.
The mechanism for the verification and monitoring that the parties have signed also includes the deployment of forces as a protection and stabilization unit, a military component to the civilian component for the verification and monitoring mechanism.
Mesfin says the troops will come from Ethiopia, Kenya, Rwanda, Djibouti and Uganda. They won't take sides, but they will fight to defend civilians and key infrastructures.
This force can also protect important installations such as the oil installations, which is the mainstay of the economy of the country. The parties would be tempted to fight in control of these resources, and if this is protected by this force, definitely it will further stabilize the situation in South Sudan.
Thousands are feared dead and many more displaced since the fighting broke out in late December. The conflict has been blamed on rifts in the ruling party, but it has taken on an ethnic edge. Mesfin has been struggling to broker a peace since the start of the year. Talks have now been shelved till late March. Seyoum Mesfin is not saying just how many troops will go in, when and for how long, but he is clearly determined to ensure the region is in a stronger position to push the two sides into a ceasefire. Girum, Chala, CCTV, Addis Ababa, Ethiopia.